Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome to a happy 4th of July Saturday 2020. Here is our big buck moon, our big thunder moon, the big hay moon, gently rising over here on the horizon. Absolutely spectacular. Let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit more. It's kind of funny, I am now standing in the middle of the road to look at this. Just nicely framed in between the trees, hey? That gorgeous beast. So here we are, happy Saturday, happy full moon. There's a penumbral lunar eclipse that I will be able to see from my location about 45 minutes, which means that top little corner of the moon, you'll see a darkened crescent come up in there. You should be able to see it live on one of the NASA websites or timeanddate.com. So absolutely spectacular moon tonight, low on the horizon. Celebratory 4th of July. The people celebrating all over. I'm happy it's Saturday. Quick little look here at our awesome moon. I gotta keep it up here for you guys. I'll be having some more cake decorating videos coming up soon. We're just working big on the other channel, and then this one will be in focus for the schedule again. But meanwhile, here is our gorgeous big full moon, July 4th, 2020. I thought we could use a little bit of happiness amongst all this crazy stuff going on around the world right now. Absolutely stunning. All right, you guys, go outside and look out. There's a planetary parade going on. There's the penumbral eclipse Saturday night, which is tonight. This will be up later than that. We have a meteor shower going on. So yeah, go outside and look up. There's lots of wonderful things to see out there. All right, you guys, thanks for checking it out with me. I will have a full moon energy share on my other channel going on, plus some more full moon footage for you there. All right, you guys, this is Chox. Ooh, and my voice just cracked. This is Chox. I will see you next time on the channel. Oh yeah, Snoop Through the Moon in Space playlist. Click that button right there. Click it, click it.